Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 3 of the Bricks Notes Data Engineering in 5 Minutes series. This is Aish. In every episode, we focus on one idea, one real world problem, and one practical next step. Today, we are going to follow the journey of one small data record from an app click all the way to a business dashboard. Imagine you open a shopping app and click on a pair of running shoes. To you, it is just one tap, but to a data platform, that click becomes an event. The event may contain the product ID, the time of the click, the device type, the app version, and an anonymous customer ID. That is the beginning of the record's journey. The first step is ingestion. The app sends the event to a system that can collect data quickly and reliably. This may be an event streaming platform, an application programming interface, or a cloud service built to receive millions of events. The goal is simple: do not lose the event, do not create it twice, and capture it with enough information to understand what happened later. Next, the event reaches raw storage. At this stage, the data is usually kept close to its original form. The product ID may be correct, but the event time may use a different time zone. The device name may be written in several ways. Some records may be incomplete. Others may arrive late. Raw data is valuable because it gives engineers a place to return to when something goes wrong. Think of it as the original receipt. You may clean it later, but you should not lose the evidence. The next step is transformation. A data engineer reads the raw event and applies business rules. The timestamp is converted to one standard time zone. Invalid product IDs are rejected. Duplicate clicks are removed. The customer ID is checked. The event may be joined with product information, such as category, brand, price, and inventory status. Now, the record has more meaning. It is no longer just a click, it is a customer viewing a specific product at a specific time through a specific device. The transformed data is then written into a trusted storage layer. In a lake house design, you may think of this as moving from raw data into cleaned and business ready tables. These tables are organized so that analysts, dashboards, machine learning models, and AI systems can use them. But the journey is still not complete. The record may now enter an aggregation job. Instead of looking at one click, the system may calculate how many people viewed this product in the last hour. How many added it to the cart? How many completed a purchase? Which device had the highest conversion rate? This creates a reporting table. A dashboard then reads that table and shows a chart. The business user sees a simple number, perhaps 5,000 product views today. But behind that number are thousands of individual records that travel through ingestion, storage, transformation, validation, and reporting. Now imagine one step fails. If the event never arrives, the dashboard undercounts interest. If the same event is processed twice, the dashboard exaggerates demand. If the product join is wrong, the click may appear under the wrong category. If the reporting job is delayed, the dashboard may show yesterday's reality instead of today's. This is why data engineering is not only about moving data, it is about preserving meaning and trust at every stage. One common beginner mistake is looking only at the final dashboard. A dashboard is the last page of the story. When a number looks wrong, a data engineer follows the record backward. Was the source event created? Was it ingested? Was it stored? Was it transformed correctly? Did the join change the row count? Did the reporting table refresh? This is called data lineage. It helps teams understand where data came from, how it changed, and which systems depend on it. Here is a simple framework to remember. Every record has a source, a path, a set of rules, a destination, and a consumer. When you understand those five things, you understand the basic shape of a data pipeline. The next time you click a video, book a flight, order food, or view a product, remember that your action may begin a data journey within milliseconds. And somewhere, a data engineer is making sure that journey ends with a number people can trust. This way of thinking is at the heart of thinking in data engineering, available through Bricks Notes. The goal is not only to learn tools, but to understand how data moves, changes, and creates value. In the next video, we will explain a data pipeline using one simple real world analogy. Thank you for watching Bricks Notes. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.